Hey guys, AJ Simon here. I just wanted to do a quick video showing some of the income results I've had in the last 30 days and the last 7 days, and also do withdrawals so you can see that what I'm doing is real and that when you download our funnel that you can actually get results like this. Anyway, all I want to do is show you what I'm doing. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to do Warrior Plus Wallet, and I'm going to withdraw. So as you can see, this account's not that old. It hasn't done very much, but it's something, and I'm going to show you really quick. I'll just withdraw this, and we're going to do I guess, what is that, 2,372. Yep. And Technology Credit Union, going to withdraw and confirm, and boom. That's pretty much it. Yeah, that's all I wanted to do, and I just wanted you to see this so that you can see what I'm doing is real.
Hey guys, so I just got back from being at the beach all day, and went and enjoyed the day and got back home, and today you can see here $1,840 for the day today. Yesterday 1,178. This week having a good week, and this month, so we're 14 days into the month and we're already at $11,955 in sales.